Hello, friends. Self Learning Center welcomes you. After a long time, we meet again to discuss one lessons of class 10. Say, Unit 5. Say, for your reference, I have given here the link and my mobile number. I request you all have liking, share, comment and subscribe this video and watch the video from beginning to end. Now let us see. Say in the pre-task there is one paragraph and that is the factual paragraph. We have to understand that, but as it's a new place and about one accident, here you see the pictures. Now see the first picture. What do you see? Think of. Observe the picture and think of. This shows that it's a temple, and this shows that a lot of people are there in the temple. Then second picture is also of the same temple. Look at, and there is also lightning, light, and just light of crackers. So something is wrong in this Parisar or campus. Here also see the same place and just fire. And here you see fire at its top, and this is just that what happened there. In Gujarati we say કાટમાળ, બધું બળીને ખાખ થયું અને એની અસર છે. In short, I tell you that this whole paragraph is about this temple and the fire. Yes, accident happened there. The facts are given. Information, માહિતી આપી છે. Main thing is happening of fire. So where place is given, Hindu temple of Thiruvananthapuram, that is in India, in south. See, it was packed with thousands. That means thousands of people were there. Early Sunday, that is time. Time of that happening is given when the fireworks began. So time is given. Then unauthorized pyrotechnics. Say unauthorized. It was not authorized. કોઈએ સળગાવ્યા ફટાકડા અને એમાંથી આગ. And display went horrible wrong. Say horrible wrong. બહુ જ ખરાબ થયું ત્યાં. Explosions and massive swept rapidly through Putin temple complex at about 3 a.m. early in the morning. વહેલી સવારે 3 વાગે લોકો ત્યાંથી નાઠા. In the village of Paravulur, killing. See, this is the name of the village where this temple was existing. Then 102 persons were killed. 380 were injured, injuring these many people. And scores of devotees ran in panic. Means લોકો જીવ લઈને ભાગ્યા. ડિવોટી ભક્તો જે શ્રદ્ધા ધરાવતા હતા તે લોકો, જે દર્શન કરવા ગયા હતા તે લોકો. See, so all the informations are given here. Exploration happened. See, then while other explosions sent flames and debris raining down. See, debris. This is called debris. Now you understand the meaning. In Gujarati we say it કાટમાળ. People were screaming. There was dark. See, blast cut off power. Blast cut off power in the complex. Means આ ધડાકો થયો, ધડાકાની સાથે પાવર બંધ થઈ ગયો એટલે અંધારું થયું. Ambulance sirens went off and in the darkness no one knew how to find their way out of the complex. Complexમાંથી બહાર કઈ રીતે ભાગવું, it was also a problem for them. Then one person said, Das said, the first deafening explosion occurred as the fireworks displays was about to end, and as he was walking away, it was followed by a series of blasts. એમણે એમ કહ્યું કે બહાર નીકળતા હતા ત્યારે બીજા પણ ધડાકા થતા જ. Fireworksના ધડાકા. Now you have read this, means heard this paragraph. This picture shows the situation. Paragraph describe the situation and all the things are about the facts. આ બધી હકીકતો માહિતી છે. આપણે રીડિંગ કરી માહિતી મેળવવાની છે. સાથે સાથે કેટલાક નવા શબ્દો શીખવાના છે જે હવે પછીના રીડમાં આની સમજ કેટલી થઈ એ માટે અહીંયા એક એક્સરસાઇઝ છે. ટિક માર્ક true for true T and for false F. See, accident occurred on a Sunday evening. See, Sunday evening. You can find out information where answers are given underlined. For first, you can refer this. Early Sunday. Here it is said Sunday evening. Now we decide whether true or false. About 380 people were killed. Now see second. In the village of Parvoor, killing 102 people and injured 300. Here it is said 280 people were. So in these informations are changed and you can decide whether it is right or wrong. Now 3. The accident occurred because of fireworks. See number 3 you can see. When the fireworks began, an unauthorized pyrotechnics display that went horribly wrong. Pyrotechnics displayed એટલે ફટાકડા ફૂટવા લાગે. So now you decide. There were many blasts when the temple caught fire. C4. It was followed by a series of blasts. So words are changed. હકીકત એની છે શબ્દો બદલ્યા છે પરંતુ બંનેમાં એની એ બાબત હોય તો તમે એને ટ્રુ કહી શકો. And devotee ran in panic as there was no electricity. Scores of devotee ran in panic as massive initial blast cut off power in the company. Now see, with the help of this guidance you can understand it more. Whenever you have to understand any text, જરા ક્યારે પણ તમારે એક ટેક્સ્ટ સમજવી એ માહિતીઓ ટેક્સ્ટમાંથી શોધવી જોઈએ, બંનેના મિનિંગ સમજવા જોઈએ અને જો સમજી શકો તો તમે સાચા જવાબ આપી શકો. એટલું જ નહીં, but you can develop your reading comprehension ability. So this way it is helpful to you. Here you learn about firecrackers, many words, and those will be useful in just understanding the read. Now let's go. Now look at these pictures. Here points are given, which points are in the read. This first line, first picture, firing crackers, the lightning. This also glows and firing crackers. This type of crackers are prepared by these ladies. These are also another type of crackers they are preparing. This is third, firing of crackers and different types of fireworks. Say in that use this gunpowder, black powder. You can understand different types of black, and there is its principle how it works. This gunpowder is used in this firework, but not only in fire. This is also used in different types of guns and other work. And here you can see the people enjoying fireworks, but sometimes this way it may just harm the people. એનાથી લોકોને ઘણી વખતે નુકસાન ન થાય એ માટે સરકારે કેટલાક નિયમો પણ બનાવે છે. એનો પ્રચાર થાય એટલા માટે આવા પોસ્ટર્સ પણ લગાવવામાં આવે છે અને કેટલો નુકસાન જાય છે અહીંયા એક ચાર્ટ રૂપિયા. Now from this you can get the holistic idea of the lesson. તમે લેસનમાં શું હશે એ આ ચિત્રો જોઈને ખ્યાલ કરી શકો. કેટલાક વર્ડ્સ પણ જાણીતા થશે. And these points are given. Excitement of Deepavali. On Deepavali days we are excited because of enjoying this fire. Then pyrotechnic. Different types of pyrotechnic fireworks are there. So we will understand what is pyrotechnic, what is the meaning of that, where we have got that word from. And it is said that Chinese are the pioneers of this fire manufacturing and પ્રપલ્ઝન્સ પેદાશ ક્યાં થાય છે તે વિશે પણ માહિતી છે. બ્રિલિયન્સ ઓફ ફાયરવર્ક એનો ખૂબ ઝળહળતો પ્રકાશ એ વિશે એક પેરેગ્રાફ. પ્રિન્સિપલ્સ ઓફ ફાયરવર્ક ફાયરવર્ક્સ કઈ રીતે કામ કરે છે, કઈ રીતે એમાં બ્લેક પાવડર રખાય કે જેથી ધડાકા. સાયન્ટિસ્ટ લુકિંગ ફોર સેફટી વૈજ્ઞાનિકોનો દ્રષ્ટિ. શિવાકાશી મેન્યુફેક્ચર such type of firework are being prepared in શિવાકાશ. ભારતમાં દક્ષિણ ભારતમાં શિવાકાશી નામનું ટાઉન છે અને ત્યાં આ સ્પેશિયલી ઉદ્યોગ. કોમ્યુનિટી ડિસ્પ્લે no individual and there are some rules that it should be allowed only for the community, not individual. Sometimes individual harm this. Care and considerations are taken, yet sometimes some wrong thing happens, and so there should be more care should be taken for that. So from these pictures you can understand all the things proper. Friends, you have got the background of that through pre-task and pictures. મળીશું next video.